It's the master plan. The power's in your hands, Pokemon. You've got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it on. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's
What's up, boys? This one goes out to the dead. Tonight we're gonna draw Death Metal from Yokai Watch 2, the movie. This one, yeah, this guy's from the second Yokai Watch movie. He killed some boy and brought Boot 2 to life. Awesome, right?
another battle every day. If you just believe, you'll go all the way. Be who you are. It's not your heart.
Know this. Boot 2 helped this boy realize his goal of being a manga artist.
It's the master plan. It's the master plan. Power's in your hands, Pokemon.
There we go. One more thing about this guy. He's a servant of Lord Enma. Like Zazzle. Here's his scythe. Alexa, play Silver Storm.
Here's some music by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
It's all about the challenges. It's a brand new game and a brand new world, new rivals. As you fight for survival, nothing can stop you, Diamond and Pearl. Pokemon, it's all about the battle. You gotta play smart, you gotta move faster. Behind every win, there's a chance to begin again. You gotta take it all if you wanna be a master. Now here we go, we're on the road and you can't stop us now. You better believe what everyone knows, that you can't bring us down, yeah. The time has come for us to show you everything we've learned now. It's time for adventure, Diamond and Pearl. We can change the world. Pokemon. Yo, welcome to Sinnoh. I want everybody to know that I'll be walking down Victory Road. Here we go, lock and load. I'm gonna stop the show with my partner Pokemon. I'm aiming to be the best trainer above the rest. Don't second guess who I am. Our dream we will achieve, cause the future is in our hands. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Now here we go, we're on the road and you can't stop us now.
And finished. That is how you draw Death Metal, otherwise known as the Reaper himself. That's all for now, folks. That's how you draw this guy. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.